This is from my Discord. This is a guy who's been using the render switcher to save memory during many dozens of renders. So check this out, read this, pause it, and let's get into this very quick tutorial about this amazing add-on. It's going to save you time. I'm about to save you a lot of headaches in Blender, and it's with a little add-on. That was another collab. Let's go in. I actually didn't have anything to do with this one. This was another guy who's been in my Patreon. He's been in my Discord, and he's talking with my collab partner, which is what I want. I want everybody in there, benefiting from each other. And he came up with an idea, and then my collab buddy made this. It's the render mode switcher, and what it's going to do is it's going to cancel out your viewport render memory and like reset it. So when you go in and you do a nice little render, you might still have viewport rendering sucking up resources. See how this is kind of blank? We got the screen here. If you cancel, or whenever this finishes, it's going to do a real quick switch, and it's going to dump the viewport render memory for you. You got a little button up here. When it's ticked on solid, it's going to do that thing. And you didn't see it, but it went back to the viewport and then came back to the render screen. Now it dumped that memory. It didn't clear VRAM, but it's going to save you a lot of freeze ups, a lot of headaches, and you're going to be able to do more spot renders and do some prototyping and just make those quick adjustments to your images so that you can get on with your day and not have to be restarting Blender all the time, which is a massive hassle. Now what I did notice is, yeah, it's good. Oh, I didn't change this back, so no big deal. Yeah, that's a good little setup, and it's hard to see, but you will see the results in the fact that you don't have to reset Blender as often, and your crashes will be a lot fewer. You can see the comments that are up here that are from the person that came up with the idea, and he's doing tons and tons of renders. So just want to share this with you guys. Go pick up the add-on, click the link in the comments to go get it, and enjoy your Blender life. And then stop by the Blender Market website and pick up a few add-ons while you're there, something you might need, like the Ref Pro. This is a great program. It's got a video demo. You can see what's going on. You get to go into a Google API with Ref Pro now and generate images. It's super cool. There's a lot you can do. Tons of explainer videos. Nothing is mysterious. It's a reference image importer, both in 2D and in 3D. And yeah, go pick that up, guys, if you want it. And I'll see y'all in the next one.